Friends, welcome back to our channel Tax Master. In this video, we will discuss about AI applications in our daily life routine. AI artificial artificial intelligence applications in our daily life. Now search this title. So this is very informative and very logical technique to learn online. So 22 example of artificial intelligence in our daily life. But nowadays unlimited applications in our daily life. So we learned from first link. The entire tech world is debating the consequence of artificial intelligence and the part AI is going to play in shaping our future. While we might think that artificial intelligence is at least a few years away from causing any considerable effect on our lives, the fact remains that it is already having an enormous impact on us. Artificial intelligence is affecting our decision and our lifestyles every day. Don't believe me? Well, read along as well. Tell you 22 example of artificial intelligence you are using in your daily life. Example of artificial intelligence 2022. We have mentioned all sort of AI example that we are knowing or knowingly part of. You are expand Google search. The most fundamental activity on the internet is searching for things. And for the last decade and more, Google search has been the go-to search engine to look for all sort of stuff. So what makes Google search such a powerful and accurate directory of the whole web? You guessed it right. It's AI that is working behind the scene. Whenever you are searching for things online, you are effectively use AI in the true sense. In the last 3-4 years, Google introduced some of AI element to improve the ranking of website. Now it uses AI on Google search for recommending a specific part of the video based on your search query. Readily suggest questions and answers that you might be interested in, and a smart search suggestion below the search result. It's only because of AI that you really have to move to the second page on Google search. So if you were wondering about where do you interact with AI in daily life, well, it's Google search. Google Duplex and Hold for me. Google Duplex is another AI-based service that is truly leveraging the full potential of AI. In 2018, Google demonstrated Duplex, which could book a table at restaurant on your behalf. It mimics human voice and understands context and replies naturally just like any other human being. You can use Google Duplex to book a movie ticket at a theater, book a seat at a salon, and more. Currently, the service is only limited to the US and in available only in English. Now the service is available on iPhones with the Google Assistant app and on flagship Samsung and Pixel iPhones. Apart from that, Hot for Me is new addition to Pixel phone in the US. It's another example of AI in our daily life that makes day-to-day tasks so much hassle-free. For example, if you call a toll-free number, and when you are put on hold, Google Assistant can handle the call and notify you when an actual human is ready to talk to you. This way you can save a lot of time. Smart Compose Quick Reply and Grammar Check. If you use Gmail, then you might have noticed a new feature called Smart Compose. It suggests complete sentence based on the preceding line that you have written. It uses artificial intelligence to quickly compose your email draft with contextual accuracy and correct grammar. I use it quite often, and believe me, it's pretty helpful. There could be no better example of AI making life better and saving time on other hand. You can use this feature in the compose window. Whenever you get a smart compose suggestion, just hit the tab key and it will be added to your draft. There is also quick reply both in Gmail and messaging app on Android. And this technology is also powered by AI. For example, when I get a message on WhatsApp, some quick replies appear on top of notifications. Based on the message, you can simply tap on it and the reply will be sent instantly. This is another example of making a small difference in how we interact online. So, lastly, we have grammar check on Google Docs, which is powered by AI. There are countless people who use Google Docs to write stories, articles, and for not. And Google leverage its advancement in AI to help users write error-free sentences. The service is enabled by default, but you can manually turn it on from Google's spelling and grammar apart from Google's service. You have grammatically and many alternatives that other AI-based grammar check. So, Google Recorder live caption and transcript. So, on the best uses of AI is happening in speech detection. Google Recorder Otter AI are some of the best examples which are leveraging AI to transcribe speeches in real time. In fact, Google Recorder goes one step further and uses machine learning, which is a subset of AI, to transcribe speeches without internet connectivity. Everything happens offline and with pinpoint accuracy. Not to mention, it also creates a searchable note so you can easily edit the transcription and to go. Beside that, Google has also brought live caption on Android and Chrome browser. It can listen to internal audio and offer live caption in real time. All of this is possible because of AI. Note that currently live caption only support English. Then there is the live transcribe app by Google, which transcribes speech over 18 languages that in real time. That's absolutely great, right? Not to the mention, it can detect surrounding sounds such as fire alarm or doorbell ringing, which can help people who are deaf and hard for hearing. Google Lens and OCR. Google Lens is another Google service that is built AI and has some great technology for fast and accurate optical recognition. It allows you to search for anything through images. Just point the camera to a shoe or a plant or any animal or text. It can detect the type of subject and will provide precise information on that thing in just a few seconds. All of this is possible because of AI advancement in the field of optical recognition. recognition. Not the mention, Google Lens can also do OCR now, and you can extract text from images easily. In fact, almost all the OCR software libraries like Distract or TensorFlow are built on AI. to detect the character on an image. When you use apps like Adobe Scan or Microsoft Office Lens, smart cropping and edge detecting are actually powered by AI. So nonchalantly you are actively using AI in your daily life and benefiting from it. Image editing, remove background and enhance resolution. AI is also being extensively used in image editing, popular website, or remove the background of an image through AI. What used to take minutes through the lasso tool can now be done automatically in just a few seconds. Next, you have the enhanced tool that has finally arrived on professional image editing programs. Image editor can now literally enhance an image with the click of a button. Adobe recently introduced the super resolution feature that enhanced the pixel by a factor of 4, effectively improving detail, sharpness, and resolution of the image. It uses machine learning to interpret adjacent pixels and reduce artifacts. Newer Apple Watches come with a fall detection feature that alerts the nearby emergency team. When it senses you had a hard fall, it uses data from the accelerometer and gyroscope to sense the fall and leverage an algorithm to accurately sense a hard fall. You may not know it, but due to AI, so many lives are being saved. Similarly, Google Pixel phone now come with car crash detection, which is trained on machine learning model or real life car crashes. If the phone sends a car crash, it sends the location to your chosen contact and also send an alert to the response team. It's safe to say that from software utilized to life-saving features, all of them are now powered by AI that we use in our daily life.